Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can use CapCut template on your PC. Let's get started. Open up your browser on your PC and then in the search bar, simply search for CapCut.com. Once you search for it, log into your account and you'll see the main CapCut dashboard. Inside here, scroll below, then here you will be able to find template option. Tap onto it. Here you will see all the available templates you can use. You can browse the category to find exactly what you need. Another way to find template is to open a new tab and then in the search bar simply search for CapCut template. Click on the first link that appears and then this will take you to the same template page. Just like that, sign into your account and you will land in this kind of interface. If you found the template you like, click onto it and just like that, tap on Use this template. CapCut's online video editor will open up. Click on any clip in the timeline and then choose Replace button. Tap onto it. And just like that, upload your photos or videos from your PC. You can then customize the template however you want. That is how you can use CapCut template on your PC. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.